Why do I say that it's going to take 15 years to bring your brother or sister to the United States as a permanent resident? Hi, my name is Audra Doyle, and I'm the owner and attorney of Doyle Law here in Atlanta, Georgia. And there is a reason why I'm telling people this answer. It is 2022, so if you're watching this video in a few years, the answer may have changed. But as of right now, the reason I'm saying 15 years is because of this document. It's the Visa Bulletin, and the Visa Bulletin for June 2022 tells me that cases in the F4 visa category, right here, it says 22nd of March 2007. So year 22 subtract 7 is 15 years, maybe about 16 years coming up. So that is why I'm telling people you should expect to wait 15 years before your brother or sister can come to the United States. There is a reason and a place where I'm getting this information, and it is the Visa Bulletin. So that comes as a huge surprise to people. Very understandable how immigration could take so long. Now, I didn't even mention other countries, such as India is actually, the year is 2005. That's when cases were filed. Mexico, the year 2000. So they have a 22-year wait to bring their brother and sister to the United States. The next question that I always get, they say, okay, so I know it's going to take forever. Can I invite them to come for a visit? The short answer is yes. Yes, of course you can invite your relative to come for a visit, but let's talk about how that's going to go in real life. Number one, they have to pass their visitor visa interview. And if immigration thinks that they are not going to return to their home country, it will not approve that visa. When I say immigration, at this point, it is the State Department that makes that decision at the embassy abroad. So you can send the invitation, and an invitation is just simply a letter. It's not a guarantee that their case is going to be approved and they're going to be given a visitor visa. The second thing to know about a person coming to visit is the maximum stay is 6 months. So if you know your brother and sister, you want to sponsor them, it's going to take 15 years, but they're only allowed to be in the U.S. 6 months, they're going to be out of status after that time if they remain in the United States. So the brother or sister will need to go home and remain at home unless they're coming for an authorized visit by the CBP, by the State Department with the proper visa for the proper amount of time. The idea is that inviting them to the U.S. is not a way that they can come here and wait on this immigrant visa petition to be approved in 15 years. It's just not set up that way. The Immigration Service will not allow that. So please understand two big takeaways from this video. Number one, check the Visa Bulletin and you will see where we are getting these dates and time frames for how long cases are going to take. Number two, an invitation to your family member is not a guarantee that their visa will be approved. I think it is helpful, but the decision ultimately goes to the embassy that receives the application. And your family member has to show they're going to go home. I hope that this information has been helpful to you today. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. Be sure to click the bell so that you're getting updates on when we make a new video.